Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 20. Let's talk about the reported speech today. We use reported speech or indirect speech when we want to report about something that someone else said. In the direct speech, we use quotation marks. She says, "It is beautiful." She said, "It is beautiful," or "It was beautiful," with quotation marks. But in reported speech, we say it differently. We use reported speech after sentences like she said that, he said that, he told me that, Martina said that, or I didn't know that, or Peter called and said that. We do not use the reported speech when the situation or the fact is still relevant, it's still true, or when we speak about the general truth. Like Martina said that Christmas is celebrated in December in her country. This is general truth. Or when we want to report about something immediately, right now. I said, the dinner is ready. So in those cases, you don't need to use reported speech. But we use reported speech in situations like, she said that it was done. Instead of present simple, we use the past simple. Instead of past or present perfect, we use past perfect. She said she had been there. So instead of she said she was there, we say she said she had been there. In the future, instead of will, we use would. She said she would come. You don't say she said she will come. You say she said she would come. So to summarize it, present goes to the past. She said she was there. Past and present perfect go to the past perfect. Peter called and said he had paid for it. The future with will goes to would. I didn't know you would be there. And now, do you remember the past perfect? We went through this the last lesson. I hope you remember. Let's summarize the past perfect. We use the past perfect in 4 basic situations. The first one is the reported speech. She called me. She had paid it. The second situation is the action that happened before another action in the past. I met Peter yesterday. He looked fantastic, but I actually hadn't seen him for 20 years. before that. The third situation is with wish sentences in the past. I wish you had been at the party yesterday. It was fantastic. I missed you so much. I'm sure you would have enjoyed it with me if you had been there, you know. So, I wish you had been there yesterday. And the fourth situation is with past conditional, the third conditional. If you had called me yesterday, I would have arrived immediately. But you didn't, so how am I supposed to know that you needed me? I hope everything is quite understandable. This is high-level grammar, and if you need any details to be checked, please go to englishwitheva.com, check lesson 20. It's 3,000 words. Intermediate students. Enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.